mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub, cause the devil put aside for me, for me, for me. So you think you can stop me and spit in my eyes? So you think you can love me and leave me to die? Don't stop me, have a good time, good time. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Don't stop me now. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call. Don't stop me, cause I'm having a good time. Don't stop me, yes, I'm having a good time. I don't wanna stop at all. Don't stop me. When the night is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me, shines until tomorrow. Let it be, let it be. I wake up to the sound of music. Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be, let it be. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who can live without it? I ask him. All honesty, what would I be? What would I be? A son or a dance for a ring. So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. Thank you for